If you're someone who adores the floral look and perhaps is not looking to wear a big bold headpiece but just wants something stunning on the sides of your face to elevate your bridal look, then you may love these breathtaking floral earrings. I absolutely adore them. We have such amazing feedback from our brides around the world. And the good news about these, unlike many other earrings on the market, is that these are actually available both in the classic sort of push through type of earring for pierced ears, or we have them available as a clip-on style earring. So let me know what you think. You can adjust them, they're very bendable and position them to how you love. I absolutely adore them. I think they are so beautiful and sparkly and so feminine to help you elevate your look. I would actually love to wear these with my hair up, maybe create a bit of a wave on a side, maybe a beautiful veil to accessorize. Just so magical.